Hello everyone, welcome to How to Do It. In this video, we'll see how to reset Windows 11. So let's get started. So to reset Windows 11, just go to Search and just type in Settings. Now open the Settings app. Here scroll down a bit and just go to Updates and Security. Here just scroll down a bit and go to Recovery, and here you get the option to reset the PC. Now just click on Reset PC, and here you can choose two options. Either you can choose Keep My Files, that will keep the files that you have, or you can choose to remove everything. It's up to you to decide which one you want to choose. I'll click on Keep My Files. Now this screen opens up. So here it asks us to confirm that if you want to reset or not. Once we click on this reset button, the PC will start to reset. So just click on this reset button and the Windows 11 PC should reset. So this was all on how to reset Windows 11 PC. Hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thank you.